able, about, above, according, account, across, act, add, advantage, advertisement, after, afternoon, again, age, ago, agree, air, all, along, also, altogether, am, among, amount, an, and, animal, announce, another, answer, any, in, appear, April, are, arm, art, as, has, ask, at, attempt, attention, August, authority, away, art, baby, back, bed, balance, bank, base, be, beautiful, because, become, bed, before, begin, behind, belief, believe, believed, best, better, between, beyond, big, black, blue, board, body, book, both, boy, Bart, break, bread, break, bring, brother, brought, built, building, built, burn, business, but, by, call, came, can, capital, car, care, carry, case, cause, sell, certain, change, character, charge, cheap, certain, change, character, charge, cheap, check, chief, child, children, city, clean, clear, coal, cold, color, come, comfort, commit, common, company, competition, complete, condition, connect, consider, continue, control, copy, cost, could, country, course, cover, credit, cry, custom, cut, danger, date, day, dear, December, deep, degree, deliver, delivery, delivered, demand, depend, desire, detail, develop, die, differ, difference, different, difficult, difficulty, direct, discover, distance, distribute, division, do, door, doubt, down, dress, drink, drive, during, each, early, earth, ease, east, education, effect, either, electronic, electricity, employ, and, engine, engineer, English, enough, equal, equality, even, event, ever, every, example, accept, exchange, exist, expect, expected, experience, expert, express, face, fact, fall, family, far, farm, father, fear, February, feel, few, field, figure, final, find, fire, first, fish, fly, follow, food, food, foot, for, force, farm, forward, free, frequency, Friday, friend, from, front, full, fully, further, future, gave, general, generally, gentleman, get, girl, give, given, go, gold, good, govern, governed, government, great, ground, grow, head, half, hand, happen, happy, hard, has, have, he, had, health, hair, heart, heat, heavy, help, her, here, high, him, himself, history, hold, whole, home, hope, horse, our, house, how, however, 100, I. Idea, if, immediate, important, importance, impossible, improve, improved, in, increase, indeed, industry, influence, inform, informed, information, instruction, insurance, interest, iron, is, his, issue, it, itself, January, judge, July, June, just, keep, kind, king, know, knowledge, labor, land, language, owing, large, last, late, law, lead, learn, least, leave, left, less, let, letter, life, light, like, limit, line, list, little, live, long, longer, look, loss, love, low, machine, made, make, man, manufacture, manufactured, many, march, mark, market, marry, mass, master, matter, may, me, meal, mean, measure, meet, remember, member, memory, Mr., mere, method, might, mile, milk, million, mind, mine, minute, miss, modern, moment, Monday, money, month, more, remark, morning, most, mother, motor, move, Mr., much, must, my, myself, name, nation, nature, near, necessary, need, neither, never, November, new, news, next, night, no, nor, north, not, note, nothing, November, now, number, numbered, object, objected, observation, October, off, offer, office, official, often, awe, o, oil, old, on, once, one, only, open, operate, opinion, opportunity, or, order, organize, organized, organization, other, art, awe, our, ourselves, out, over, owe, owing, language, own, page, paint, paper, part, particular, party, pass, pay, peace, penny, people, perfect, perhaps, person, personal, picture, peace, place, plane, plan, plane, plant, play, please, pleasure, point, political, poor, position, possible, pound, power, present, price, principle, principally, principal, probable, probably, probability, product, profit, property, provide, public, pull, purpose, put, quality, quarter, question, quick, quiet, radio, rail, rate, rather, writer, reach, read, ready, real, really, reason, receive, recent, record, read, regard, regret, regular, relate, remark, remarked, remember, remembered, member, report, represent, represented, require, respect, respected, responsible, responsibility, best, rest, rest, result, return, right, river, road, room, round, rule, run, safe, sad, sail, same, satisfactory, Saturday, save, say, seen, school, science, see, second, see, seam, short, sound, south, so, speak, special, specially, spend, spent, stand, start, state, station, steel, step, still, stone, stop, store, story, straight, strange, street, strong, subject, success, such, suggest, some, summer, Sunday, supply, support, sure, surprise, sweet, system, table, take, talk, tax, teach, tell, test, then, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, then, their, therefore, these, they, thing, think, third, this, those, though, thought, thousand, through, Thursday, till, time, to, together, told, tomorrow, to, touch, toward, trade, town, trade, train, tried, trouble, true, trust, truth, try, Tuesday, turn, under, until, up, upon, us, use, usual, usually, value, very, view, voice, waste, walk, want, war, warm, was, waste, watch, water, way, we, week, weather, Wednesday, watch, water, way, we, week, weather, Wednesday, way, well, went, were, west, what, whatever, when, whenever, where, whether, which, while, white, who, whole, whom, whose, why, wide, will, window, winter, wire, wise, wish, with, within, without, woman, woman, wonderful, wonderfully, world, work, world, worth, would, rest, write, writer, writing, written, wrong, yard, year, yes, yesterday, yet, you, young, your.